The rate at which we breathe and the rate in which our heart beats are both interrelated. This is because nerves that wire together fire together. Basically, we have these two nerve centers, the respiratory nucleus and the cardiac nucleus. Both of these nuclei are in the midbrain aspect of the brainstem. What's that mean? Well, the brainstem is this deep part of our nervous system that is mostly in charge of a survival response. A lot of autonomic signals are sent to the brainstem to figure out whether or not we have to modulate our physiology based on if there's a threat. In functional neurology class, I learned about midbrain overload. Basically, if we have too much noise in the nervous system, too many stress signals, that midbrain gets fired over and over and over again. Then we get stuck in a sympathetic fight, flight, freeze response and the corresponding physiology. This makes our heart rate go up, our respiration goes up as well. The really cool thing is we all know that respiration, how we breathe, is both involuntary and voluntary. What's that mean? It means that we can use the frontal lobe of our brain with conscious intention to stimulate our respiratory nerve center in the midbrain. When we consciously breathe and lower our breathing through intentional breath work, we are in fact trickling out to the rest of the midbrain and the brainstem, particularly that cardiac center, and we are lowering down the physiology. We're coaching the physiology with our intention to slow down and get out of that survival response. So, because we can consciously choose breath practices, we can consciously take the reins of our nervous system and lower that activation so that we are in a peaceful physiology.